Hello everyone, Archana here. The Indian legal system has given a lot of power to the people who live in the country. Unfortunately, not everyone is aware of this power. Being a citizen of India, it is very important for you to be aware of certain laws and rights that every Indian should know. So here are few points which I'm going to explain to you guys about the laws and rights that every Indian should know. So the very first point I'm going to talk about is only a women officer can arrest a woman. Only women officers can arrest women, and yes, they have to be present in the police station for the whole time. Women have all the right not to go to the police station only if male officers have gone to arrest them. In case of serious crime, male officers should have the written permit from the magistrate to escort the lady. The second important point is women should be arrested before the sunset. Yes, if at all any police officer has to arrest a woman, they have to arrest a woman before the sunset. And yes, women have all the right not to go to the police station between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. Third point is women can lodge a complaint via mail or post. Yes, if a woman does not want to go to police station, she can always lodge a complaint via mail or post. The next point is you can ask for water and use washrooms for free in hotels. Being a citizen of India, as per law, you have all the rights to ask for water in hotels, and yes, of course, you can even use washrooms for free in hotels, and it is not necessarily that you need to be a customer. And yes, one of my friend, when she was traveling, she was hesitating to go to hotel and use washroom because she thought she had to be a customer and she cannot use washrooms. But see, we did not know the law, and myself did not know the law. This is just to create an awareness to you guys. The next point is a police officer is always on duty. When I say a police officer is always on duty, if a police officer receives any complaint or if he sees any crime happening around him when he is off duty, he cannot say that he is not on duty. A police officer is always on duty, and yes, he's got all rights to arrest any person when he is on duty. It necessarily not be that even if he's not on his uniform, they cannot say I'm not on duty even if they are not in uniform. Well, the next point is police can arrest you for drunken driving. While driving, if a driver has more than 30 mg of alcohol per 100 ml in his or her bloodstream, police can arrest the driver without any warrant. Police cannot refuse to lodge an FIR. If a police fail to file an FIR, he or she can be suspended and even can face jail term. The next point is a pregnant woman cannot be asked to leave the job. No employer can fire a pregnant woman from the job for any reason. Firing a pregnant woman from the job is punishable with fine and imprisonment for up to 3 months. Live-in relationships are not illegal in India as long as both are adults. And yes, if children are born out of live-in relationships, children have all the right for their parents' property. The next point is a single man cannot adopt a girl child. As per law, a single man cannot adopt a girl child just for the adoption, to keep the adoption of the child safe. The last point is every citizen is entitled to receive 40 lakh cover if the cylinder explodes. All registered LPG customers are entitled to receive 40 lakh cover in case the cylinder explodes and if there is a loss of life or loss of property. This applies to the entire family. Well, these were few laws and rights which every Indian should know, and yes, I was also not aware of these points. Please share this video to every citizen who will be benefited from the laws and rights. If I missed out any interesting point, you can also leave that in the comment section. Please do share this video to all your friends and relatives who can benefit from this. If you find this video interesting, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.